It's your turn. Support 10 accounts Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And from my page you have to go to trending at highlight. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. Here, as you can see, I only have viral stickers, so you can check these two if you want. So click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. It's your turn. Support an account. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, from here you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one, and from here you can click to text and you can tag as many friends as you want. Actually you have to support 10 accounts, so you can tag 10 accounts right here. Go to text and type in your friend's name, or you can go to stickers, click to mention, and here you can mention those 10 accounts. So yeah, after you've done that, you can just go ahead and share your story. Click on your story button from the left bottom corner, and that's it. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.